Hello automation anywhere lovers, welcome back to the KT sessions, and today we are going to explore a handy tool in automation anywhere, which is generate random strings. So before we jump into automation anywhere, let's quickly understand what random string generate means. It is a process of creating a sequence of characters randomly. This can be useful for generating passwords, unique identifiers, test data, and many more. Now let's see how can we achieve this in the automation anywhere A360. We will use the generate random string action available in the string package. So I will go to the string package and here I can see generate random string. So when I click on it, we can see length. So we can generate a string of uppercase and lowercase alphanumeric characters and assign it to a string variable. So here you can assign a string, length of the string. So for example, sometimes we need a password, or sometimes we want to generate a unique identifier for our process, for our business rule, or any other purpose. So we can generate a random string and we can save that string in a variable and we can use that string. Here we don't have much options, just we can give the length, means we need a string of 10 digits, 8 digit. So we can give a length of the string only. So there could be some more option, maybe automation anywhere will add these options in future or in upcoming updates. So I think there should be some options to like select, means which type of string we need. Means we need a string which contains only digits, or which contain only alphabets, or which contains special character also. So like that there should be some options or some inputs. Alright, as of now we are going to use this length only. I will save the outcome in this sample string variable and then I will print it. So here we go, we can see this random string. It contains letters in uppercase, lowercase, and number also. So this is how we can generate a random string with the help of this action, and I'm using the latest version of this string package. Let me show you the version. So here we can see we are using 5.10.0. So in this this package, this section is available. I don't know if it is available in the older package or not. So if you are using any other version, so you can use this package version if that action is not available in your current package version. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question.